Good morning, students. I am Anupma Asthana, working in Department of Chemistry, Government VYT PG Autonomous College, Durg. Dear students, आज मैं प्रीवियस लेक्चर में जो हमने देखा था बेंजोइन कंडेंसेशन, कंटिन्यूएशन में नेक्स्ट रिएक्शंस डिस्कस करूंगी. गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स. आज मैं अपने लेक्चर में MSc सेकेंड सेमेस्टर पेपर 2 CH8 का पार्ट रिएक्शंस ऑफ इनोलेट्स, कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शंस इन्वॉल्विंग इनोलेट्स, जो कि यूनिट 4 में है, उसमें 2 इम्पॉर्टेंट रिएक्शंस डिस्कस करूंगी. स्टॉप कंडेंसेशन एंड मैनिक रिएक्शन. तो सबसे पहले हम देखेंगे स्टॉप कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन. कमिंग टू इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. स्टॉप कंडेंसेशन रिएक्शन इज a condensation reaction of carbonyl compounds that may be aldehyde or ketones with succinic ester, that is dialkyl succinate, in presence of basic catalyst to give monoesters of an alpha alkylidene or arylidene succinic acid. In this reaction, generally strong base is required. Base may be sodium ethoxide, sodium hydride, that is NaH, potassium or sodium tertiary butoxide. One equivalent of base is required in this reaction. For better yield of the product, normally potassium tertiary butoxide is used. So coming to the reaction, suppose any ketone is there, R, C double bond O, R or R dash. It is reacting with dialkyl succinic ester, maybe diethyl succinate. Formula is CH2 single bond CH2 COOET. CH2 से attached है COOET. ET is here C2H5. Basic catalyst is sodium ethoxide in presence of ethanol. Product of the reaction is monoester of alkylidene or arylidene succinic acid. Firstly, sodium salt is formed, and then after acidic hydrolysis, when treatment with HCl, product of the reaction is monoester of alkylidene succinic acid. So here, as we can see, acetone is reacting with diethyl succinate in presence of sodium ethoxide base. Product of the reaction is monoester of an alkylidene succinic acid. Stop condensation is there. Firstly, sodium salt of monoester of alkylidene succinic acid is formed by hydrolysis in presence of HCl. Product monoester of an alkylidene succinic acid is formed. Here it is 3-ethyl carboxy 4-methyl pen 3-ene 1-oic acid. In this reaction, aliphatic and alpha beta unsaturated aldehydes can take part. Aliphatic, aromatic, alicyclic cyanoketones and ketoesters also give the reaction. The esters are limited to succinic esters like diethyl succinate, dibutyl succinate. So coming to the mechanism of the reaction, इस रिएक्शन की क्रियाविधि देखें. सक्सिनिक एसिड एस्टर पर बेस के अटैक से इनोलेट आयन का फॉर्मेशन होता है. सक्सिनिक एसिड एस्टर से CH2 से एक प्रोटॉन का एब्स्ट्रैक्शन होता है और इनोलेट आयन बनता है. नाउ दिस इनोलेट आयन, it is carrying negative charge, gives nucleophilic addition reaction with carbonyl compound that may be aldehyde or ketone to give adduct. कार्बोनिल कार्बन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के डिलोकलाइजेशन से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की कमी होती है, तो इनोलेट आयन उस कार्बोनिल कार्बन पर अटैक करता है, जिससे एक अडक्ट का फॉर्मेशन होता है. दिस एडिशन प्रोसेस इज reversible. The adduct cyclizes to form gamma lactone process is again reversible. In the last step, irreversible ring opening of conjugate base of lactone occurs to give unsaturated ester acid. So coming to mechanism of the reaction, as we can see, any ketone is there. It is reacting with succinic ester, that is diethyl succinate, in presence of base potassium tertiary butoxide in tertiary butanol. Product of the reaction is monoester of an alpha alkylidene succinic acid. Firstly, an ion is formed after hydrolysis in presence of hydrochloric acid. Product is monoester of an alpha alkylidene succinic acid. In the first step, tertiary butoxide anion attacks on diethyl succinate and abstracts a proton from alpha position to give carbanion of diethyl succinate. As we can see, negative charge is on carbon atom and there is abstraction of one hydrogen from CH2, that is alpha position, to give carbanion. This carbanion is stabilized by resonance. There is delocalization of electrons to give enolate ion of succinic ester. Now this ester anion, this is formed by removal of abstraction of one hydrogen, alpha hydrogen. This is acting as nucleophile. This attacks on ketone on carbonyl carbon, forming an oxyanion. As we can see, negative charges on oxygen atom. This is adduct of the reaction. Reaction is reversible. Now there is intramolecular attack of oxygen on COO C2H5 ET to give one cyclic intermediate. Reaction is again reversible. This is cyclic intermediate. There is loss of OC2H5 group OET to give one gamma lactone intermediate. This is gamma lactone intermediate. There is removal abstraction of proton to give conjugate base of lactone, and in the last step there is irreversible ring opening to give an ion of monoester of alkylidene succinic acid. By hydrolysis, final product, that is monoester of alkylidene succinic acid, is formed. Now coming to characteristics of stop recondensation reaction. The reaction is limited to only alpha omega diester groups, that may be, or we can say 1,4 diester groups at the first and last carbon because of the formation of cyclic intermediate via lactone. Enolate is formed from esters, not from carbonyl, that may be aldehyde or ketone. Enolate का formation सक्सिनेट एस्टर से होता है, एल्डिहाइड या कीटोन से नहीं होगा. Reaction goes by formation of lactone intermediate. This lactone intermediate has been isolated and this supports the mechanism of the reaction. Esters with only one alpha hydrogen can't give this type of irreversible ring opening in the last step, and this is the driving force for the forward reaction. The formation of ester carboxylate ion is irreversible. So this condensation can be applied for relatively hindered ketones. So coming to applications, a large number of saturated and unsaturated carboxylic acids can be synthesized by stop condensation reaction. For example, synthesis of tetraconic acid. As we can see, acetone is reacting with diethyl succinate in presence of sodium ethoxide ethanol to give the product monoester of alkylidene succinic acid. After hydrolysis, product of the reaction is 1 unsaturated dicarboxylic acid. Product is tetraconic acid. Reaction can be applied for the synthesis of polycyclic ring systems. For example, synthesis of beta carboxy gamma diphenyl vinyl acetic acid. Here compound is benzophenone. It is treated with diethyl succinate in presence of potassium tertiary butoxide and tertiary butyl alcohol. Product of the reaction is, after stop condensation, beta carboxy gamma diphenyl vinyl succinic acetic acid. The acid obtained can be decarboxylated to give beta gamma unsaturated acid. This is the acid obtained previously by treatment with HBr acetic acid and refluxing. The compound is beta gamma unsaturated acid. As we can see, double bond is present in between beta and gamma position. So, beta gamma unsaturated acid is obtained. By hydrogenation of monobasic acids and dibasic acids, saturated acids can be obtained. The reaction can be used for the preparation of substituted succinic acid. If metanitrobenzaldehyde is treated with diethyl succinate in presence of tertiary butyl alcohol and potassium tertiary butoxide, stop condensation reaction is there. After hydrolysis, product is 4,3-nitrophenyl 3-carboxy but 3-in-1-oic acid. The reaction can be used for the synthesis of naphthols. Here it is, compound is acetophenone reacting with diethyl succinate in presence of sodium ethoxide ethanol. Stop condensation reaction is there. Product of the reaction is cis isomer, which on treatment with acetic anhydride and gaseous acetic acid gives 4-methyl-1-naphthol 3-carboxylic acid. स्टूडेंट्स, हम नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन देखेंगे. रिएक्शन है मैनिक रिएक्शन. कमिंग टू इंट्रोडक्शन ऑफ द रिएक्शन. द रिएक्शन वॉज गिवन बाय कार्ल मैनिक. द रिएक्शन इज ए मल्टी कंपोनेंट रिएक्शन and it is a condensation reaction of a non-enolizable aldehyde, a primary or secondary amine or maybe ammonia, and a compound with one or more active hydrogens. Reaction takes place in presence of hydrochloric acid to give the product beta amino carbonyl compound. These are known as mannich base. These mannich bases are isolated as hydrochlorides. Coming to example, as reaction takes place between one non-enolizable aldehyde, aldehyde is formaldehyde, a primary or secondary amine. Secondary amine here is in a reaction, as we can see, dimethylamine, formula is CH3 twice NH, and one compound, maybe carbonyl compound with active hydrogens. Compound here is acetone, CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So these are three components, acetone, formaldehyde and dimethylamine. They are reacting in presence of hydrochloric acid. Product of the reaction is mannich base, that is 4-dimethylamino butane 2-on hydrochloride. Next reaction अगर देखें, compound is aromatic ketone. It is having active hydrogen, acetophenone. It is reacting with formaldehyde and dimethylamine, that is secondary amine, again in presence of hydrochloric acid. Product of the reaction is mannich base, that is 3-dimethylamino propionephenone as hydrochloride. Reaction is amino alkylation of an acidic proton placed next to the carbonyl group by formaldehyde and either a primary or secondary amine. Suppose we have ketone cyclohexanone, cyclic ketone है. On reacting with formaldehyde and dimethylamine in presence of hydrochloric acid, it produces manic base. So cyclic ketones also undergo this reaction. Coming to components of the reaction, compounds which have active hydrogen, that may be enolizable carbonyl compounds. Example, either acetone or acetophenone, they can take part in reaction. Phenols, nitroalkanes, alkynes, acetylines, 2-methylpyridine. Heterocyclic compounds like furan, pyrrole and indole can also take part in this reaction. Second component of reaction is formaldehyde. It is used normally as aqueous solution, formalin, or as trimer, that is trioxymethylene CH2O thrice. Amines may be either ammonia or primary amine or secondary amine. In this reaction, normally secondary amine is used. They can be dimethylamine or diethylamine. Piperidine can also be used in this reaction. If we take ammonia on treatment with formaldehyde and any active hydrogen containing compound, 3 successive reactions are possible, giving tertiary amine, that is manic base. For getting better yield of the product, normally secondary amine is used in manic reaction. Components देखें जिनमें reactions होते हैं. Phenol, as we can see, phenol is reacting with formaldehyde and dimethylamine in presence of HCl. मैनिक रिएक्शन होगा इसमें. ऑर्थो और पैरा पोजिशंस पर एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन है और इस पोजीशन पर एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन की जगह अमीनो अल्काइलेशन पॉसिबल होगा टू गिव मैनिक बेस. इथाइल मैलोनिक एसिड, इंडोल, 2-methylpyridine, they also undergo manic reactions. These are the reactions with formaldehyde and secondary amines. So coming to mechanism of the reaction. Reaction में देखें तो अमीन reacts with formaldehyde. अमीन के पास as we all know नाइट्रोजन पर lone pair of electron present होता है. So amine acts as Lewis base and nucleophilic addition is there. डाईइथाइल अमीन है, सेकेंडरी अमीन, न्यूक्लियोफाइल है, फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड के साथ रिएक्ट कर रहा है. फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड हम देखें, इट इज़ ए नॉन एनोलाइजेबल एल्डिहाइड एंड अमीन के पास नाइट्रोजन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन पेयर है. एल्डिहाइड के कार्बोनिल कार्बन पर इलेक्ट्रॉन डिफिशिएंट सेंटर है, कार्बन पॉजिटिव है, नाइट्रोजन से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जाते हैं और एक बॉन्ड फॉर्मेशन होगा, प्रोटोनेशन होगा प्रोटॉन शिफ्टिंग से. जब अमीन फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड से रिएक्ट कर रहा है तो एक इनॉलिक फॉर्म बनता है. इमीडिएटली उसमें से एक वाटर मॉलिक्यूल निकलता है और इमीन सॉल्ट बनता है. फर्स्ट स्टेप में फॉर्मूला इज C2H5 twice N double bond CH2Cl. This is imine salt. As we can see, iminium ion formula C2H5 twice N positive double bond CH2 and this is delocalized structure जिसमें नाइट्रोजन पर और कार्बन पे पॉजिटिव चार्ज है. तो पहले स्टेप में सेकेंडरी अमीन और फॉर्मेल्डिहाइड की क्रिया से इमीनियम आयन बना है. स्टेप 2 देखें तो इनोलाइजेबल कार्बोनिल कंपाउंड है एसिटोफिनोन C6H5C double bond O CH3. It is having alpha हाइड्रोजन, एक्टिव हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट है. बेस के प्रेजेंस में इसमें से 1 हाइड्रोजन एब्स्ट्रैक्ट होता है. देयर इज एब्स्ट्रैक्शन ऑफ प्रोटॉन टू गिव 1 कार्ब anion. As we can see, negative charges on carbon atom. Delocalization of electrons are there to give stabilized enolate ion. Formula is C6H5CO negative double bond CH2. Now, this enolate ion acts as nucleophile and iminium ion here is electrophilic in nature. It is electron deficient. Electrophile reacts with this enolate carbanion to give final product manic base. अगर हम एक अनसिमेट्रिकल कीटोन देखते हैं, एग्जाम्पल 3-methyl butane 2-on, when treated with formaldehyde and secondary amine, that may be diethyl or dimethylamine. Here it is dimethylamine. In presence of hydrochloric acid, manic reaction is there. In unsymmetrical ketone, the more highly substituted alpha carbon gets substituted by amino alkyl group, as hydrogen on a highly alkylated carbon is more acidic, as we see in this in compound, that is methyl butane 2-on. The hydrogen that is substituted, highly substituted, is substituted first. Now coming to reaction applications of the reaction. In manic base, 2 groups, amino alkyl or amino dialkyl and ketonic groups are present. Manic base serves as synthetic intermediate in many reactions. So coming to applications, reaction से amino ketones बना सकते हैं. For example, any ketone carbonyl compound which is having active hydrogen, may be acetone or may be acetophenone, on treatment with amine, primary or secondary amine, and formaldehyde in acidic medium, manic reaction is there to give beta amino carbonyl compound. Here amino alkyl groups and ketonic group is there. Alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds can be prepared by this reaction. Suppose we have acetophenone. On treatment with formaldehyde and dimethylamine in presence of hydrochloric acid, manic base is formed. In presence of methyl iodide, it forms quaternary salt. By treatment with silver oxide, moist silver oxide, that is AgOH, and finally by E1 Cb reaction, one enone is formed, CH3 C double bond O CH double bond CH2, that is alpha beta unsaturated ketone is formed. Next is preparation of higher ketones. The ketone formed in the above reaction, that is alpha beta unsaturated ketone, by reduction in presence of nickel catalyst, hydrogen is used for reduction. Product of the reaction is phenyl ethyl ketone. In this reaction, acetophenone, that is C6H5COCH3, is converted into higher ketone, that is phenyl ethyl ketone. Robinson annulation reaction is a ring extension reaction which finds application in building up the ring system in some compounds. Example, steroids. Cholesterol example is there. Firstly, manic reaction is there. Acetone, formaldehyde, dimethylamine in presence of acid give manic base. When treatment with methyl iodide, it gives quaternary salt. On heating, methyl vinyl ketone is obtained in situ. Methyl vinyl ketone and cyclohexanone, these two compounds are subjected to first Michael addition reaction. And second, there is aldol condensation, base catalyzed aldol condensation reaction. As we see here, there is expansion of ring system. Here 2 rings are present. The reaction finds application in synthesis of some alkaloids. Example, synthesis of atropine. So reaction involves 3 components: acetone, dimethylamine and succinaldehyde. There are 2 successive Mannich reactions to give the product tropinone. Tropinone firstly reduced by zinc and Hi, zinc hydroiodide Hi. Second, there is treatment with tropic acid. Final product is, as we can see here, atropine alkaloid. The reaction can be applied for the synthesis of various medicines. Example, synthesis of one local anesthetic due to can. 3 components here are butanone, formaldehyde, dimethylamine. Mannich reaction is there in acidic medium to give Mannich base. It is firstly reduced and treated with anthranilic acid. Product of the reaction is 2,2-can, a local anesthetic. So dear students, इस लेक्चर में हमने 2 रिएक्शंस समझे, देखे. One is stop condensation and second is Mannich reaction. Thank you.